Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. So friends, we have started the last week of our live trading in this particular segment of stock strangle and also covered call. I've been showing you continuously almost from a long time. In case if you have missed, our commitment was to do it for a full month and observe the performance. So I have uploaded almost all the videos, and of late I can see that many of them are picking it up and many of them are learning, and it is high time we go towards the next one. So this is going to be the last week for this particular hedging. So next we are going with index. So that is what many were requesting for. In index we'll be doing strangle or the spread. So many were asking for strangle, many were asking for spread, many were asking for straddle as well. So what I thought was we will do the directional hedging. So in case if market is moving sideways, then I'll go for the strangle or the straddle, or in case if the market is moving in any particular direction, then I will do the vertical spread. Okay, so this is what we are going to plan from next month. And in case if you have not yet studied strangle strategies or hedging strategies or directional strategies, please learn it. It will be very useful for you. I'll also try to touch the basics before going on with the live trading. And friends, just before going, just want to give you this update. I felt it was very good. People, those who have not yet opened Upstock account, trading account in Upstock, the trades which I am doing are all in Upstock. They are giving very good, wonderful offers, and it is available till 31st of July. You get free demat and trading account. You don't have to pay anything for opening the account. You will get zero brokerage for 30 days. Even if it is you're trading for 1 lakh or 10 lakhs or 1 crore also, it is going to be zero free. And free beginners course on stock market from Elon Markets. So in case if you are newcomer, you can learn from it freely. And last but not the least is Stock Edge premium membership, for which is worth 9,999. It's a very good platform. You'll be getting lots of stocks, you'll be getting lots of screeners, lot of knowledge, news, lot of things available. So don't miss the opportunity. You can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video to open the Upstock account. Okay friends, so let us check today's trade. So today the stock selected, this was a previous trade which we did in Tech Mahindra, and in case if you have missed that, you can just watch my previous video. I'll just, okay, so now we are going out with SBIN. So SBIN is what we have taken, and you can what now, as of now, I am going for a bearish view, in the sense the stock is going to go down. So I'm going to do the covered put. I'm taking the nearest strike price which is having good open interest. So I can see around 190 put is having very good open interest. Okay, so reviewing the sell order, I can find that I have placed the order, and it is still not executed. Okay, so it is quickly moving down. I have to place the order. Yes, now it is completed. So once the put option has been done, completed, now I have to sell the future as well. Okay, so I am reviewing the order, and you can see future also is placed. Now let me place the insurance. Okay, so if placing the insurance, I'll just at least try to take 10% far away strike prices. So I think 200 should be fine for us. Let us just observe the premiums as well. So we need to do we need to select call option, which is 10% far away. So if you go further deep at 210, also yes, fine, the premium is fine for us. 215 will become too very less. Okay, so perfect, 210 is fine for us, which is almost 10% far away, and it is as of now almost coming down to zero. You can see it is only at 0.95, and I am placing the order at 0.95, and it is not yet triggered. Okay, so adjusting it, tweaking it. So you can see the position has been completed. The 3 legs have been taken. So these are the 3 legs which we are going to take for our covered call. And next day morning, we can see we booked around 1,200 rupees profit. Okay, so in the daytime we are going for Strangle, and the stock selected is Wipro. So this is the option chain which I have opened. So I just have to take OTM calls and put. As of now it is around close to 269, 270. So let us see 260. Making it intraday, I am going to sell 260 put option. Okay, it's completed. Now almost the same premium price I am going to take on the opposite side as well, and I am going to sell that also by placing a limit order, and let us see if it gets executed. Okay, as of now it is open, so I need to do the modification, slight modification required in terms of paisa, 5 paisa. Yeah, so both orders has been completed. To just show you, these are the two legs which are open, and fair enough. The premium also is fair enough, around 2 rupees, both are of 2 rupees range. So end of the day I'll just show you. Yeah, so there was movement in Wipro started moving. So before we go to losses, we quickly came out of the trade. So I just got some small profit, and today was not the day for making money in Strangle, because there was Wipro started picking up momentum. You can see the LTPs, a lot of changes started happening. So you can see the call started rising, but the put is not going down much. So I did not go for any adjustments, because almost we're in the last week of the month and we are going good. So then I felt there's no need to do the adjustment. Okay, so that being said, quickly I have to update into my Excel. So updating into the Excel sheet as well. So you can see almost we are completing this month successfully. So what I meant by successfully is we are following the principles, rules and trading. Okay, profit or loss, we just have to continue. Market, whatever market gives, we have to accept. Okay, so the night strategy gave us 1200 rupees profit, and the day strategy gave us 800 rupees profit. So you can see Strangle is continuing to give us very good performance. So this was all about our today's strategy, the last week of our covered call as well as Strangle, which I'll be posting. Open trades will always be available, so don't worry. But for learning purpose, that is for uploading, that is showing live on YouTube, that is whatever I'm trading, we'll be going towards index in the next month. Okay, so once again, just reminding you, the platform which I used was Upstock. Make use of the facility, it's very good. Any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.